everyone, so in this video you're gonna be watching us fulfill orders for my Get Nail 32 online nail supply store. So just a little rundown on how my website works and just our system that we use that kind of works for us. So for my website I use square.com. Super easy to use. Like whenever I first started my website back in 2017, I wanted something that was easy to work with because I'm the type of person that like to do stuff myself. So super easy to just work and add products, and it's really not much to it. You literally just add your product, your price, quantity, description, and that's pretty much it. So once people place their orders, my Square account is attached to a site called GoShippo. So GoShippo basically creates all of my shipping labels. Now I will admit that whenever I first started my website, y'all, like I didn't know anything about stuff like GoShippo or ShipStation or none of those sites that make your labels for you. And so I literally was going on the post office website and typing in every single order. Now at that time I didn't have like too many orders, of course, but it still took a while to do, y'all. So like I said, now we're using GoShippo, so my orders go directly to GoShippo. I literally just select, we kind of just go through the orders and see, okay, like is that one gonna need just a small envelope, or just depending on what items they order, we choose whether they do a flat envelope or a padded envelope or a large box. And after that, we just print all of the labels, and then we take them into my nail room, which is this is my nail supply room. This is where we fulfill all of our orders, and my dad actually built this room for me. So this is actually a shed in my backyard. And y'all, when I tell y'all, like whenever I first was thinking about getting this built, I was scared because I didn't know if I was gonna be able to just fill this whole room with nail supplies. And officially as of like just currently, we have literally outgrew this room. Like there's no room for anything else. Like this room is completely filled like to the roof. And like yesterday I was trying to stock my shelves and then trying to put new products in there, and there was no room for nothing at all. So it definitely is just a great experience to just kind of see my growth, and like literally just watch the growth. And so we actually are in the process of getting a bigger place for all of this stuff. So of course none of this would be possible without you guys. But yeah, so back to how we handle the orders. Now whenever I first or when my boyfriend and I first got together, like I was doing all of this by myself. Like I was grabbing the stuff off the shelves, I was packaging them and everything. And so now he's the one that gets all of the, like he has the packing slip in his hand and he's grabbing the items off the shelf and he's marking it off the list or off the packing list as we go. And then I'm the one that packaged the items and put them in the bag, put the thank you note in there, and put the shipping label on there. So this system definitely works a lot better for us, because at first we both were doing orders and like we're bumping into each other and it was just a hot mess. So now he picked the items, I packaged them, and that's just the system that we have going. And y'all, to be completely honest with y'all, like I used to be the type of person where I like to do things my way, and I was really big on if you want something done right, you have to do it yourself. And so I didn't let anybody help me do orders. Well, my little sister used to help me, but then she started getting a lot of orders wrong and stuff, and I could really tell that she didn't enjoy it. She just and so I was scared to let my boyfriend help me because I'm like, no, like you gonna mess up my orders. But we've come to the conclusion that whenever I was doing my orders on my own, I was getting a lot more like orders wrong, where I was putting in the wrong nail tips, or maybe I was missing some items. And so I've come to learn that if you want something done right, it's okay to let somebody else help you. And so that's why he's in charge of getting all of the items and then I just package them, because I also feel like I'm not good under pressure. And so a lot of the time, like, I'm like in a rush trying to hurry up and get orders done, since it was just me doing them. And so I would forget stuff. And so, like I said, this system has worked a lot better for us. Like, when we're in there, for the most part, we're like concentrated. He's doing his job, I'm doing my job. He may ask me every now and then where I've put something, because I like to move stuff around and then forget to tell him. And so every now and then I will help him, but now it's to the point where I'm asking him, like, hey, where is this at, or where is that at, as if it wasn't my online store. And so he's definitely a huge help, and he's the one that kind of keeps everything organized for me and keeps it running nice and smooth. So definitely glad that I have some help now. So now it's not just me doing everything. But yeah, so like I said, he picks up all of the items, he hands them to me or set them on the table with shipping label and packing slip. I go ahead and just package everything, and then after that we just drop them off at the post office. And then also on that website on GoShippo, whenever we purchase the label, it automatically sends the buyer a like tracking number, and so we don't have to worry about inserting tracking numbers, none of that. It just automatically sends it, and it's really easy to use. And so I know, as a beginner trying to start your own website, you really don't know where to start. So I'll be sure to leave those links down below. Again, I use Square for the website, and I use GoShippo for my shipping labels. It is cheaper to go through like a I don't know what it would be called, like a not shipping company, but like through a website that does your labels. They are cheaper than just going straight through like the post office and stuff. You do get a little bit of a discount, so that's why I like using it as well. But also, I don't know if you guys knew, but the post office does give out free shipping supplies. So like all of the boxes and envelopes that I use that say USPS, those are free. I'll leave that link down below as well, where you can just go to their website and just order them, and they'll deliver them for free and everything. Of course, I do buy my own like little mailer bags and my bubble wrap and my thank you stickers. I do buy that on my own, but as far as the boxes and envelopes, those are completely free on their website. But yeah, so this is just how we get all of our orders packed. I think this day we had about 30 some orders that we had to package, and so that probably took us about an hour. And just because, like I said, we already have that system that just really works for us, and so once we get in there, we just are on the go. And the reason why he's having to leave out so much is because, y'all, like, I literally just got 9 boxes of more products, and so I haven't really had the time to just organize them and stock my shelves up. And so we're steady having to go back in the garage to get stuff out of there too. And so it's like I said, y'all, we just have no room for anything. So I don't even know why I keep buying new stuff, but that's like this is really how things go for us. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want me to do a more detailed video on actually showing you maybe how to create your online store or how to set up like the shipping label website and stuff, just let me know. But I'll be sure to leave all of those other links down below if you guys want to go check them out.